The solution to this problem for the domain comes from two facts. We cannot take the square root of a negative number, and we can't divide by 0. So if I let x plus 4 be not negative, which means greater than or equal to 0, and I subtract 4 from both sides, then x must be greater than or equal to negative 4. That would be negative 4 to the right, or negative 4 to infinity. But I also can't divide by 0. So x minus 5 cannot be 0. If it is, when I have x equals 5, I'm undefined. So we have negative 4 up until 5, union 5 to infinity. That covers all of this, but then has a break at 5 where we can't be dividing by 0.